I use my Magimix Cook Expert every day. It does things easily, it's sturdy, it's strong, it's built to last. You get a book with over 300 recipes, but what you have as well, which is excellent, is this app. The other thing that you have is so many people are using this machine around the world. Therefore, you have communities on platforms such as Facebook, but also blogs. We have some dishes that we do every week, and one of them is a Sunday night soup where I just put a few seeds, pulse, and it just brings all the flavor. And then you put a few veg, pulse, and again it just cuts your onions in 30 seconds. And you do the same with all your veg, press the preset, creamed soup, 20 minutes later you can eat. To make a veg curry in the Magimix, I will steam some vegetables in the metal bowl, put some garlic, put some onion, press a button to stir fry it for a few seconds, and after that I will just put it all together with a bit of coconut milk, a bit of tamari sauce, and a few minutes later you have the most delicious curry. You could make a rice pudding in no time at all. Put some rice in, some milk in, some sugar maybe, and you press the expert button, choose your timing, your temperature, and here we go. My children will do little snacks. What is important is that they are really realizing how eating is the start of health. Sustainability is very important to me. So reducing waste is something that we've been doing for years, and the Cook Expert fits perfectly into that. I can prove my bread in the metal bowl. I don't have to buy bread in plastic bags. The machine is so easy to clean. Once you've cooked, put a bit of water and press the rinsing button. The Cook Expert saves time, so much time. The Cook Experts that generally change our lives. Delicious, nutritious meals. I cook more without cooking more.